business trip. Why you in one way?
Nothing.
And the worst part of it, he had checked all the ground. Bridge. It's open bridge for the past 3 days now. No problem. Okay, now. Okay.
That gets through. Me like what again, no problem. Continue only this thing. Okay, ma'am. I'm on the hall. I'm able to my appointment with my designer. This is your papa. Then we went away again and no okay,
mommy will cover my jeans and shirt too.
No problem. You don't need to ask. You did it.
Mommy, bye-bye.
Yeah.
I'm a little John. Okay. Can I do my room? Cool. Can I do my room? That is it. Yeah. Brother, sit down. Peter, relax. Mama, you will be mad. She's a very nice woman. No woman. But you know why? I've been around you before. Relax. So just you don't have any problem. No problem. Just a thing that you always enjoy doing. Sure. Papa, how around this thing? I'm a very busy man. So you're busy now. Abuja, the other day, just next to me, Kaduna. Always very, all these politicians. Moreover, he's a very rich man here. So relax, you don't have any problem. Just feel at home. Chill out. You get more comfortable. We need a man. Relax, I'm starting to do the snake, but I'm out of snake. I'm a hand, no snake. This boy is your boy. Come on, go over. We're going to lunch already ready, so you don't manage him for a long time. Come on, feel free, huh? Snake! Yeah, hey, what you got, man? I wonder why, chill out. Okay. Let me get one more. Snake. Gini. Agwọ. Gini. Agwọ. Ma gbaa nkịta afọ mbụ aha nna. Aha nna. Ka asịkwa m snake kwa. Kedu mgbe Papa is another from Bangkok. Oh, no, but Papa Dinas. Merchandise. That's any type of business. If I do want to do it, I'm interested in. I'm going to supply this woman in Mafia. Apa, and I'm more than a but any type of business. I don't know. Step on my car, I could go again. Before Bangkok. Yeah. Peter. Again, maybe. Can you get a good out? Watch out. I don't know what the other adjudicator. Mommy, man. Yeah, man. Is you? I'm a cocoa. You know, you see? How much is this?
55 naira.
55 naira?
Yes.
But I can't find the price tag.
It's not here. The price is they can see from the code is 55 naira.
Oh.
Yes.
Is this the only color you have? I mean, don't you have purple?
No, we don't have purple.
I actually want purple, sir.
But this color is okay.
I know, it's purple I want. Maybe some other time.
Okay.
I'll see you. Take care. check it out. Thank you. Hey, you're watching. You're watching, my sister. Okay.
Government scholarship ibanye boarding school ka pụtara na agụma abata ụlọ bịa hụ na otem siri kwonu nkwa ma ụjọ atụla unu aga m na-ezitere unu ego scholarship m unu ga na-eji elegide onwe unu anya ma mama nnukwu anyị nọrọ unu nke ọma amụ nwanne unu nwoke aha nna
Yeah.